Okay, so I think I'm probably going to upload both of these videos, a part 1 and a part 2 sound tests. So hopefully, this guy's in a very high legend level, but hopefully I changed some of the settings. This is with my headphones plugged in to part 2, I guess, and I just want to see if you could still hear the pounce okay. Oh god, guy, please. This guy's not bad. Whew! Jesus Christ. If I'm lucky, I'll be able to get a decent UV spit on this guy, but hopefully the sound effects are better. Oh, that was a pretty fucking sick pounce. I hope the sound was recorded. Oh, that was fucking sick. Jesus fucking Christ, where am I? Okay, I'm getting some decent pounces in, but I want to see if I could get a really clean sounding one. The other ones seem pretty nice, but you know what, I'm gonna try and hit him with maybe one more UV spit. Cause this, honestly, I fucking hate this map. Like, it's literally one of the worst, actually. Just fucking kill it, dude, please. Oh, what the fuck is he talking about? You fucking curveball. I hate this nest, please just kill it. Okay, hopefully that got recorded. That was pretty fucking clean. Holy shit. So I recorded this one with my headphones in as opposed to the other one. So actually I think I might just upload this one, see how it sounds. Actually I kinda like the way the other one sounded too. Alright, as long as this guy's having fun too, you know? Like, that's a good kill, I guess. Oh god, I completely missed my spits there. It's okay, we're playing super far ahead. I mean, this guy doesn't seem that bad. I hope that looked as cool as it did when I recorded it. Nice! Alright, I'm gonna try and hit him with all of my spits. Just so I could maximize my XP. So let's see, where are we at? We have 63,000, so let's go to about 65 or 66 if I hit everything. 66 and it is 82, so let's see. This guy got good somehow. I'm just getting, oh gosh, the time is getting super extended with this. But, what do I need? What do we got? So it looks like, did I even land anything that time? Maybe a ground pound. Let's see. So we are at 65. GG. Hopefully that recorded okay and the sound effects are better. It took 9 minutes and 53 seconds. Well, did really well, my dude. Alright, let's see how that recording went. I might just even upload this one, see how the bass sounds on the zombie impacts. But okay guys, that's thanks for watching. It's the Chaz. See you next time.